Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Scorpio for the month of March 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of March. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Scorpions. So this will be the energy of the month. That is the Hanged Man reversed. Here I see that you will be trapped in a situation or in a relationship or in maybe a job or something, and you might feel a little helpless. You want to do something but you will not be able to do something, but still you are sticking to that situation. You are waiting, and you are gaining some kind of experience out of it. So that kind of a situation I see here in the month of March for you. The first week cards are Ten of Swords reversed, Death reversed, and Temperance. So I see that there has been a lot of pain, a major transformation in your life. It could be some physical health, it could be some kind of a relationship for someone, it could be a job, it could be a loss. I mean, some kind of a loss was there that you have gone through, and things will definitely start becoming better now. March will start with the recovery mode for you, where a lot of bad things has have already happened in your life, and things will now start becoming little better. You will change your perception a lot towards different things, and what the things that you used to hurt you earlier might not hurt you now. And yeah, you will be basically healing and coming out of that kind of an energy which has basically given you a lot of pain in past. Before moving to the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The next week cards are King of Wands reversed, Wheel of Fortune reversed, and Six of Pentacles. So here I see that you have to be careful when it comes to relationships. You are a kind-hearted person and you end up helping people, but that this time when you will help anybody, I think that this person might take advantage of you, and you might end up giving yours but nothing will come back to you. So you have to be very careful with what you give to other people, because even if you are giving and this is what is in your nature, don't expect anything to come back, be it love, be it affection, be it some money, be it your services, anything. So if you have limited resources, I would suggest keep them to yourself, because if you are giving someone expecting that they might return it back to you, I'm sorry, that might not happen. The third week cards are Hierophant, Page of Swords reversed, and King of Pentacles reversed. So again, I see you know maybe you are into a profession where you guide people, you tell people what to do, or maybe this is your nature that you help people, telling them what to do, what not to do, because you people take your advice and you are good at giving advice. But unfortunately, people might come to take your advice and they will not utilize them in a good way. So you have to be very careful about what you give to people. For some of you, this card even shows that it could be a long term situation, a marriage or something, which is somewhat not giving you good results, because both the people are behaving quite immaturely in the relationship, and they're expecting the other person to do a lot, and they themselves are not doing anything. So that kind of a problem can be there, because of which some kind of a argument might happen and some kind of a fight might happen. So for different people this might mean the different situations. So this is how I can interpret this thing in two different ways. Moving ahead, for fourth week cards are Five of Pentacles reverse, Eight of Wands, and Eight of Cups reverse. So I see that what how to say this, there is some kind of a miscommunication. You people, if it is a marriage and a romantic relationship, you people have not been taking care of the relationship maturely. You are just behaving little immature, and this might continue in the last week also. There will be some kind of a misunderstanding. There will be some kind of loss. You might feel either physically, you might feel little some discomfort, or the other person might feel the same. And there will be, you might feel that everything is going from my life, like there is no proper relationship, there is no financial stability, something is, everything is just happening out of my expectations, and not in such a good way. And you will feel that, wherever you are, you will feel that you want to go back to a place where there was safety, there was security, and that was your happy place in the relationship. So you might feel like going back. You might take a step where you might either tell your partner, or might try to walk alone to a different place where you will feel more happy. It could be physical movement, it could be mentally also, just thinking about the good times that you have had. So yeah, that's about it. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. And for the daily and personalized reading, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. That's about it. Links are given in the description box, so please do follow. So good luck.